Hey, what's going on everyone out there in YouTube world? I'm Devar, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. In this project, we got an accurate TL back here. We done previous work to it. You know, we did the wheels, we did certain other areas, but in this case, this customer here went to go get his tires changed. And what happens is when you get your tires changed, everyone knows that plastic dip is not a permanent job. It's something for temporary, sources, but in this case, he went to go get it changed, and around the outer edge, when you take that tire off, it's really going to scrub it, and it's going to create that peel, and it's going to create breakage. Then you're going to be able to see the rim underneath. So in this case, this customer here wanted to just change it up. They wanted to go permanent. So what we're going to do, we're going to be removing the old dip. We're going to clean the wheel, prep it. We're going to get it ready. Then we're going to repaint it, and we're going to do a permanent paint job to it. We're going to do black gloss. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we got here, as you can see, like the outer edge, is what I was talking about. Once they change that tire, it's going to pretty much rip it. There's nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do. You'll have to go get your paint job redone if you're using plastic dip. But as I mentioned, it's not made to fight off that type of stuff. It is a temporary paint that is made for temporary use. So if you want a permanent job, that's the only way you're gonna be able to save this area from being pretty much destroyed. So what we did, we went on ahead and started, and I want to show you how good this stuff here is, man. Plastic dip pretty much removes easily if it's applied correctly. So y'all check out the process. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start off by removing the old dip. Once we remove the old dip, we're going to take you through the whole course. We're going to show you all the steps that we're doing. But like I said, first off, we're going to remove the dip. Anything that's excessive, we got dip dissolver that's going to help us remove that. I'll display it throughout the video. Dip dissolver, you can purchase that at dipyourcar.com, as well as any other products needed to enhance your dip jobs. So check us out. As y'all can see, we got everything removed. You see that? That was pretty easy, right? Took about, maybe 5 minutes. Now we got to go around and do the rest of the wheel, but everything that I use, you may have to use this. This is going to help you. This is a microfiber towel. All the stuff I'm showing you can pretty much purchase at dipyourcar.com. If you don't have the sources, you can go to Advanced Auto, O'Reilly, or places to that nature. You can find this stuff too. But this here helps break the seal. It's like kryptonite to plastic dip if it's dry. So it'll help break the seal. And I also use the spudger tool. Spudger tool pretty much, you can order this at dipyourcar.com. It pretty much can help you get into those tight areas that you can't get with your fingernails or your fingers. And also what we're going to use, as I mentioned, something that's going to break down that dip. Anything that's trapped, as you can see, it's trapped in the inside, like over the wheel locks are. Anything tedious to that nature, dip dissolver. Dip dissolver. You can't buy this at AutoZone or O'Reilly. You got to get this from dipyourcar.com. So as you can see, dip dissolver. Go ahead and purchase some of that stuff, man. It's really helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up. We're gonna go around, do all the wheels, then we're gonna clean it. Got the wheel off. what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and sand it down with 400 grit. If you got a rough wheel, you might want to start with a 220 grit and work your way up to a 400 grit to get the smoothness that you want right before, before you paint it or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the 400 grit. The purpose for applying this 400 grit is to smooth and sand down all of the clear coat finish that's applied to the wheel. So this is helpful because once I apply my paint, it's gonna help it bond very well. Next up, we're gonna take the taping drape and we're gonna apply it around our outer edge to be sure that we doesn't spray any on the tire. And what I do is just take it, I kind of like break some of the tape in the middle. It gives me an option to hit the corners, to circle it around. So it'd be better that way. Alright, our next step, we're going to go ahead and go with our Rustoleum high gloss black paint. This paint here is a paint and primer mixed in one, so it's going to give us a nice finish. Everything is masked off, tape, so we're ready. Start off light so you can have enough to bond to. Got our final coat on. We've let it set and dry. Now we're gonna remove the tape and we're gonna check out our wheel. Alright everyone, that concludes our tutorial. I thank you for watching this video and hopefully it's helpful for you, or maybe you can help someone else change the color of their wheels in the glimpse of an eye. a good DIY project that's very cheap and inexpensive. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.